To fix YouTube TV not working on Samsung TV, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable and working network. Restart your router and TV to refresh the connection. Next, check for any software updates on your Samsung TV. Go to the Settings menu, select Support, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. Clear the cache and data of the YouTube TV app. To do this, go to the Settings menu, select Apps, and then select System Apps. Find the YouTube TV app, select it, and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Check if the issue is with your YouTube TV account. Ensure you are using the correct login credentials and that your subscription is active. Try logging out and logging back into the app. If none of these steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube TV app. To do this, go to the Apps menu, select the YouTube TV app, and then select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, go to the App Store, search for YouTube TV, and install it again. Finally, reset your Samsung TV to its default settings. To do this, go to the Settings menu, select Support, and then select Self-Diagnosis. Select Reset and enter your PIN to confirm. This will restore your TV to its original settings, which may resolve the issue with YouTube TV. By following these steps, you should be able to fix YouTube TV not working on your Samsung TV. If the issue persists, contact Samsung support for further assistance. Remember to always keep your TV and apps updated to prevent similar issues in the future.